And they're only half the price, too. These are more different.
That's because no one's been buying them because they're crap.
I don't know. I think they're pretty cool, personally.
I don't understand the technology. It's funny that the sick one is the one checking them out, and mine is like, he doesn't give a care. He's probably angry at me, though. He was yelling at me, begging me not to put medicine down his throat. Huh? Oh, here he... That's cool. They're traveling together now. How does it even work? They don't. Stupid science that I don't understand.
The thing is, there's one in my first review one. Here's the other one. There's a website to go to and learn about their technology.
I'm going to have to do that now.
One for you. How that sound?
Okay, I guess the orange one is mine.
They're family toys, okay?
Yeah. You said one for me in Phoenix, so
Well,
yeah.
The number.
Well, yeah, the codes, yeah. Let's see, why is Reaper down here playing with these?
Reaper's cool.
Rapture's cool too.
Rapture's evil. Daddy thought she should have named them both after those killer lions.
He did. He came in here and just told me that. And he's like, those gay lions? You know those gay lions? I was like, dude, that's cliche naming black cats Shadow and Darkness. We should have named them
They
like...
were killers.
Yeah.
I don't think it was Shadow. I thought it was Darkness and something else. They were killers. They killed a lot of people, and it's true. It's fact.
I think these are just as mind-boggling to him as the laser is to magic.
Go and see.
He's probably just sleepy. Hey,
So
baby.
you guys even here again tonight?
I guess so. No, there's a protest going on outside a Catholic school because this Catholic school kicked out two gay people, and they kicked out the child of two lesbians because the Catholics believe that homosexuals are going to hell.
Well, to me, I would think he would want to make sure she's taught good Catholicism so she will rebuke it when she grows up.
I personally think I'm happy they kicked her out, because how would you like sending your child to a school where your teachers tell you every day your parents are going to hell?
I did that. Whenever I came really sick when I was little, there was two of my teachers that were part of Pentecostals, and they came to my mom and dad's house and told them that they must be doing something horribly wrong, and they were probably going to hell, and that was why I was sick. And Dad threw them out of the house.
Now, Chai would be eating these nanobots.
I really got this charm. I didn't I, Daddy? Because I was telling the guy I couldn't get a red one because I don't think she sees red.
Well, they can obviously see both green and orange.
Daddy said maybe she only sees dimension.
You mean she could be colorblind, or... Yeah.
And then she sees dimensional, and that's why she sees the spiders and stuff like that so easily.
It would make sense.
Maybe it's something to do with the blue eyes.
I don't know. I don't think that the color of the iris has anything to do with the color of the pupil.
I think they've got blue eyes because they're so human in them.
Yeah, I have to say, for kittens, these guys have really small eyes.
They'll get bigger once they get. I think he likes knocking it over just to watch it get back up, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Should I go with you if I want to see the office in tinfoil? You're not going to stay too long?
Will you take pictures for me so I can put them on Facebook?
What I do?
Oh, you have him email pictures to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
They took a lot of pictures.
Okay, they did? Okay, because I want pictures.
The people that were the culprits took picture of themselves sitting at his
I
desk
have to put on another shirt.
holding a beer bottle wrapped in tinfoil, smoking a cigar that I got from my office.
Wrapped in tinfoil foil. I think mine's upset because of the medicine. Are you bored with it? No. Oh, look at that! His tail was all the way up. Did you see that? Oh, mine's, I think, waking up now. Oh, see, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Okay. Oh.
Just over half.
Can't find more too many boxes.
Okay.
That's evil eye.
That tour.
Okay, so I won't be able to pick up that copy of Atlas Shrugged. The book I wanted for my birthday.
Oh no, that's next payday.
Okay, okay.
Okay, how much was that anyways?
That was like $20-something.
Okay, no problem. And then Daddy and I might, if you don't ask for anything else, we might give you some money, okay?
Okay.
Like,
Yeah, I plan to use the check to buy that thing for The Sims whenever we go back to the VX. Finally, mine is playing with them. Oh no, yours is getting all frisky like Chai does after she uses the litter box, and then she touches something and it moves and it freaks her out.
Yours is getting in the box. What are you talking about?
Have no fear. Do not fear the rapture.
What's he doing? He's in there. Don't want to bother the other two because they're being nice to each other.
Oh, he's not. He's in the dining room.
Oh, look, okay, right here.
Yeah.
So like, doing it. Okay. My hospital didn't call what time my appointment was, did it?
No. See ya.